Here we come to the elevators at the South Stadium Garage at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. These are Thyssenkrupp elevators. I believe these were installed in 2015. And it just left. And we're gonna get this one. These are Thyssenkrupps. Let's get a cab view. Very nice cab, but basic. One of the light tiles is missing, and you can see up the shaft. GL interlock. There's the other car up there, coming down. Yep, and you can see up the shaft. Very nice. We'll go down to 1 first. Very smooth and a little bit of classic leveling. We'll go up to 5. Door close. Button does not work. We'll watch out the window again. Classic leveling. Intelligent leveling. We'll ring the bell. Here's the bell. There's down the shaft. And you can see up the shaft. Here goes the fan. We'll go up to 5 and we'll watch the numbers. That is so annoying. And we'll send this down. We'll get one last view going down. Past 4,000 pounds. EPCO SurvivorPlus Vandal resistant fixtures. That sound is very annoying. And we'll take it for one right up, and we'll get the other car. Going up, what floor? 4. 4?
3.
We'll get off on 3. And we'll get the other car. Capacity 4,000 pounds. ADA compliant phone built to the car station. You have a good rest of your day, ma'am. We'll get the other car, hopefully. It's the fan on this. It's the AC unit on this. Put on a 1. Going up?
Yep.
What floor?
3. 3.
I don't know what's on that button. It's disgusting. Door close does not work. Fan is very annoying. This is the AC unit. Graffiti there. We'll get a view out the window. We'll go down to 1 and we'll get a view out the window now. Very nice elevator, but a very annoying fan. Or whatever that is. See if we get some classic leveling action there. And we'll end it up on 5. These are Thyssenkrupp. These are not MRLs, but they're traction. They're very smooth. Oh yeah, that AC's nice, but they need to do some work to it. Very nice cab. I think it's actually purposely grilled so you can get the air. It's the AC on these elevators. Also got a GL interlock on this. And here it goes. And that's gonna be it. Yeah, it's the AC on the elevator. Anyways, that's gonna be it.